This overheated radiator shouldn't have happened. Or this streaked windshield in the rain. Or this dead battery here. Shouldn't somebody check those things for you every time?
Your Texaco dealer does. That's his promise. Your Texaco dealer not only promises to check the things everyone ought to, he'll double check too. He'll check your battery. Double check the battery cables. Check your oil. Double check the fan belt. Check your radiator. Double check the radiator cap. Clean your windshield. And double check the wiper blades. What's more, your Texaco dealer's service and courtesy includes a smile and a thank you. That's his promise.
You can trust your car to the man who wears a star, the big bright Texaco star.